Whenever doing a balancing with the Resonance Pro, at the end of the balancing session, a percentage rectification will appear. This percentage rectification will give an indication into how effective that specific balancing session was. Typically, any percent rectification from 20 to 30% is considered satisfactory. If you get a very high percentage rectification, typically what may happen is that the body will go back to its original state of rest as the body is lazy. So it's our philosophy to rather get smaller percentage rectifications on a continued basis versus trying to get a very high rectification over a short period of time. A high rectification over a short period of time may indicate or may result in the client going back to its original state of unrest and dis-ease.